Hello, happy people. Today I'm making ancho lamb with rice. So easy. So first of all, I'm just removing the seeds from my dried ancho chili and then soak it in a boiling water to soften it up. So let it soak, and while it's soaking, I'm just gonna prepare the seasoning for my meat. This part is optional. You can jump right into start making your rice if you're not planning on cooking this lamb, but try this, you will love it. I'm mixing this seasoning to cook my lamb with. The lamb needs to cook slowly at a medium heat. So to speed it up, I'm gonna put it in the Instant Pot that will speed up the cooking. So you can use lamb meat or beef or any kind of meat you have on hand, but I just love lamb sometimes, so just wrap it. I don't like my meat touching directly aluminum foil. That's why I'm wrapping it in paper before putting it in the aluminum foil, and then cook it on high pressure. It will make it so tender. While the meat is cooking in the Instant Pot, I'm gonna try pureeing my softened ancho. I'm adding just a little bit of vinegar. It's optional, vinegar and oil. Puree it and look so nice. You can use this paste for everything. A good substitution for tomato paste. I am now going to start making my rice, cooking my rice. So just bring up a little oil, add some onion, diced onion, and I love using onion. It makes this dish so sweet. And then I'll be adding carrot, diced carrot, or you can use sweet potato if you are in sweet potato season, or it's just a great substitution to use sweet potato, diced sweet potato instead of carrot. But I have frozen carrot in my freezer, so that's what I'm using today. And cook it, and then add your paste, your ancho paste, depending on how deep you want the rice to be, how deep colored you want the rice to be. Couple tablespoon of ancho paste should be enough, but it's up to you. And of course I added some garlic, so ingredient detail is in the description box. So I'm adding cinnamon. I don't have cinnamon sticks, otherwise I prefer adding cinnamon stick to it, but I only have the powder today, so I'm adding cinnamon powder, just a little bit. And then you can add some bouillon seasoning, but today's the water that I'll be using to cook the rice, I have beef broth, so I'm just not adding any bouillon seasoning for now. And once I add the broth, and if I taste it and if it needs a little bit of bouillon or salt, then I can add it. I have a hot pepper from the garden. It's just nice to have your fresh chili pepper from the garden, so I just add the chili pepper here just to give it a little bit of heat, since the ancho chili doesn't have any the seed is removed and there's no heat in the ancho paste. Now it's time to add my rice. I don't know about you, but usually this dish is best with basmati rice, but I don't like basmati rice just like that. I don't like the texture, so I like mixing my basmati rice with jasmine rice. So I usually do equal part of basmati and jasmine. I learned that from my dear sister Diane, and since then that's what I've been doing. So while the rice is cooking, I can finish cooking my meat, the lamb that's been cooking in the Instant Pot. So let me grab a little bit of ancho paste, add bouillon, curry, salt, oil, mix it well. Then remove my cooked meat from the Instant Pot, very juicy. And like this video, share it to help me grow this channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. So with the seasoned ancho paste, I'll be coating my pre-cooked meat, then put it back in the oven, let it broil for about 10 minutes. Alright, my rice is done cooking. It is so flavorful. Oh my god, so appetizing. And my meat is also done, so I can just place the meat on the rice and serve it. So bon appetit, people. I hope you try this and let me know how it goes. Feel free to experiment and try different topping with the rice. So you can go without meat and it will be fine. Make it just vegan or something like that. I appreciate it. I will be talking to you in the next video. I love you guys. Bye bye.